for today needs no introduction. She's a woman of grace, talented artist, and a dedicated advocate for health. She knows that to perform at your best, you have to fuel your body with Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome the brand ambassadress, the beautiful, the one and only Miss Pauline Mendoza. Welcome to Davao.
Thank you. Ayan, grabe naman. May pa-fans day pala ako ngayon. Maraming salamat naman po na kabisita kayo. Maayong hapon sa inyong lahat. Pauline Mendoza po. Maraming salamat. Pinaunlakan niyo po kami ngayong lahat. And of course, from my JC family, thank you so much for inviting me. First time ko po sa Davao. Yes, sadly, uuwi na rin po ako mamaya. Talagang pupunta lang ako dito para makita kayo at ma-meet kayong lahat. Sobrang nakakatuwa dahil ang dami palang Team Davao. At sa aking Team Pauline, maraming salamat. Supportahan nyo ang JC. Diba? Talagang, andito sila ngayon. Okay, so, mag-share